a simple mineral bath salt blend with mineral salts. So Dead Sea salts and Himalayan pink salt, and then some herbs. We've got dried organic lavender buds and dried organic rose petals. Very, very good for your skin. And some oatmeal, ground up oatmeal, and some white sage is all going to go in it. So yeah, this is just going to be a simple how-to recipe on how to make your own herbal and salt blend bath blends at home.
Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. My name's Kane. I'm just here to let you all know that I'm standing proud behind my wife's all-natural products here, and I encourage you all to drop a like and subscribe, and I look forward to hearing from your feedback, and encourage that you all stay safe out there, and we're all praying for everyone's well-being and want the best for the world. And you don't see me much, but that's because I'm in the background and always maintaining her support and making sure that production is getting out the door and making sure it's to customer satisfaction, and yeah, just enjoying all her products as well. And yeah, so just like to let you all know that it's pure and it's surreal and lathering and shit.
Thank you, honey.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Peaceful Blend. Today I'm just showing a quick video on making some bath salt blend. I have this up on Etsy, but today I'm making a 16-ounce batch of it, and I have 16 ounce and 8 ounces on Etsy to choose from. I'm just making this today because my daughter is going to be back from Australia in a few days, and I haven't seen her in, what was it, a couple years now, at least. Yeah, so I want to put together a little self-care package for her. So I thought today would be a good day to just show this video on making this herbal bath salt blend at home. If you have the right ingredients, you don't have to use what I use either, but what I'm using is the lavender, the sage, Himalayan pink salt, the rose petals, oatmeal, and the Dead Sea salt. And if you want to make these spa-like bath salt blends at home for your personal use, it's just super simple to do, and you can use whatever salts you have. Epsom salts are great, or actually I would have probably included that in this today, but I don't have any. And whatever herbs you have work great too. So like loose teas and stuff, like even green tea, loose green tea works really well, and chamomile teas. You can even use tea bags. But for this, I'm just showing you what I have and how I make it, and what I sell on Etsy. So I like to layer it up so it looks like, well, that one's actually all mixed up. This is my 8-ounce one. I don't know if you can see it from there, but yeah, it's just layered up nice. It doesn't stay layered very long, of course. When you want to put it in your sachet, you're gonna mix it up and scoop it in there. But for presentation purposes. I want to make it look nice. So I like to start by putting the whatever essential oils you use. Stick it in the salt, the fine salts first. Like, so if you're using Epsom salt, put your essential oils in there first. Mix it all up. This is, like I said, 16 ounces, 1 pound. So I'm using lavender, of course, the most common one to use for baths, relaxing. And I use about 10 drops. And so yeah, I put that in the Dead Sea salt mix and mix it all up nice. And so when you do it this way, that just makes the scent and the fragrance last longer, because it absorbs right into the salts, and the salts just hold on to that, keep it smelling nice for a longer time. Okay, so this is my jar here, and I'm just gonna put the Dead Sea salts in first. I still have a little bit in there actually, because this was a jar I made not quite a week ago, and it's already all used up, but doesn't last long. So get that in there, and then I'll put the Himalayan pink salt in. And we'll stick the roses in, some of them. Lavender in. So just layering it all the way up, making it look pretty. And the oatmeal. And now the white sage. Just buy it in the bundle like this and just break it in there. All these things that go into this blend are very good for your skin. It helps your circulation. It's anti-inflammatory, so it helps sore joints and sore muscles. The herbs like the rose petals and the lavender help to calm down irritated, dry, rashy skin. Rose is super amazing for your skin. So it has all sorts of skin-loving properties in it. I can think off the top of my head everything. Well, you know the difference after you use this stuff, because you just make sure you soak in it for about 20 minutes, and it makes you feel just refreshed, and it makes your skin so soft. The oatmeal is super softening and really good for your skin. Okay, that's enough lavender or sage. Okay, so we got that. So I want to keep layering up till it's full to the top. So I'm going to put some more Himalayan salted, and then I'm going to put the vitamin E oil in. Just another great boost for it. And I put about 10 drops of this in. You don't need a lot. A little goes a long way when you're making these. You don't need to put a ton of essential oils in, or whatever oil you're using in, because you can use carrier oils in it as well if you want. Like almond oil would be great, sweet almond oil, or avocado oil, whatever oils that you like you can put in, but just try to not put a lot in. You don't need it, because it's just kind of a waste if you put too much in. I'll just put the rest of the sea salt in there. Okay, and I'll put the rest of the oatmeal in, the rest of the lavender, and the rest of the roses. And yeah, we're at the top now, so I like to put a little bit more sage on the top. Look pretty. And I do like to put a couple more drops of lavender in. So I put 10 in, so altogether I'm going to put about 13 drops. And so 3 more drops on the top. And there, it's done. That easy. So this comes with a, on my Etsy shop, on my listing, these all come with a compostable spoon. So it's made by plants, and it's, you know, recyclable or reusable. And the jars are definitely reusable. An organza bag. So when you make your bath, you only want to fill it up. You can fill it up either a quarter way or a halfway. And so you just fill up your bath with hot water, stick the bag in, and let it steep until the water's cool enough to get in. And sit in there for about 20 minutes. And it's very relaxing and calming of the nerves, and just cleanses your skin and your mind and your soul and everything. So it's worth giving it a try, making your own, or you can buy it from my Etsy shop. Anyways, I don't have the thingy to turn it off. But I didn't say thanks for watching or anything.
Oh, it's still going.
Oh, is it? Oh, okay. No, don't worry. I'll just say thanks for watching. It's okay. Hey, I forgot to mention too that this salt bath is really good for detox as well. So it sucks out all the toxins out of your body. Well, as much as it can in 20 minutes. So having a toxin-free life and ridding yourself of toxins isn't just like a one-time thing. So this is just one small part of doing that. So having these kind of baths really help with that process. And yeah, that's what I forgot to mention. So I just am trying.
Like, subscribe.
Yeah, you're better at saying that to me. You go ahead. I hate saying it.
And that's a wrap.
No, just say about the subscribing thing.
And if you'd like, you can drop a like and or subscribe.
And subscribe.
And subscribe. Or and subscribe.
Or and. But yeah, for sure. Because I think right now I only have like 4 subscribers, but I just started this channel, so I got a lot to learn and a lot to progress, like get better at, for sure. I finally got my microphone, which was nice. I had to wait forever for that because of the pandemic with the shipping and stuff. Everything's delayed. Anyways, so yeah, it turned out really nice, and I mean, I can't bring the video camera over here to see, but maybe could you bring it up there just to see what it looks like? Very nice, thank you. And yeah, thank you for watching, and hope you guys are all doing good out there and staying safe, and hopefully we can say goodbye to this horrible pandemic soon. Maybe not that soon, but hopefully. I don't know. Just make the best of it while you can, and stay safe, like I said. And until next time, cheers. Did it turn off or is it still